I'm gonna wash my backpack. I'm gonna wash it. You ready? It's got all my stuff in it. Ow. Oh. See? It's in there. I don't know how to show you better, but it's in there. Let's get some bleach or Tide. Okay, let's do this shit. Oh, fuck. What should I do? Towel side or clothes side? I'll do the towel side. Maybe I'll do both. Oh, fuck, I spilled. Oh, fuck, that's a lot. And I'm gonna... Backpack's still in it. Is there a light? No, I don't think. I'm gonna put 90 minutes extra rinse. I want it to be hot. Alright. Get ready. There we go. You can kind of see it better. It's really dark, so. Yeah, it's washing. 89 minutes. Get ready. Okay, in case you needed some, here's proof on why I'm an idiot. I'm not happy about this. I don't think you can be happy about this. But get ready to see this great outcome. That's my fucking bag. That's paper. That's my binder. And I'm feeling really stupid right now. Which I should be feeling. My articles. My fucking articles survived. This is brilliant right here. My articles survived. Look at this. Look at this. That's ironic. I deserve to be slapped or something. I need to be punched, shot. Fuck, I feel like such a dick. Oh my god, I lost my Latin book. I lost my All Quiet on the Western Front book. I probably lost my deodorant, my keys, pencils. All my fucking work, all my papers, everything is gone. Look at this shit. I have to fucking push this out of the way. Jesus fuck. Oh my fucking lord. I'm such a fucking idiot. So, Brandon, what happened in your bag? I'm an idiot. Do you want to see proof? I have a fucking video of it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. How do I explain this? Well, I can guess what happened to my textbook. Oh, I wonder what the dryer will do. Oh my god. It's my brace. Ugh. I am hating myself. What the fuck is this? Oh my god. Oh no. It's my Latin book. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go kill myself now, so bye.